today's topic is risk. Risk. So, tell me one thing. What comes to your mind when you hear about risk?
Uh, Risk means whenever we do any work, okay, and we know very well that it is not possible, okay, whether I am able to complete
Yes.
my work or not, okay, but even I do, that means I am taking a risk.
Yeah, that's correct. So, have you taken any risk?
Yeah, mm,
Like,
yeah, I always take risk, okay,
okay,
just
that's nice.
yeah, and you know that we are in police department, so we always take risk, okay, and apart from that I take a risk whenever I have to go anywhere, okay, suppose I have a
Okay.
train, I have to catch my train at 7 o'clock, okay, that means it is
Yes.
sure that I am going to reach at only 7 o'clock, okay, not so many before.
So, you're a risk taker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, even we should take risk because when we take risk, it teaches many things. It
Okay.
it gives us challenges like will I
Yeah.
be able to do it or not? So yeah, so I love risk takers. Like even you are also a risk taker. And
Yeah.
anything other than this, you have taken any risk?
Yeah. Actually, I want to share a event. Okay. Actually, some days ago, when I had gone to my house. Okay. That time, while going my house, uh, I was going by train. Okay. And there is a
Yeah,
station in West Bengal. And as I reached there, okay, that time I think it is 2 o'clock at night. Okay, so that time there was no any person in the
yeah,
area. Okay, but even I reached the station and I just I left the station. Okay, at 2 o'clock. Okay,
yeah.
and actually I had gone there after so many days, so I was unable to recognize very well. But even I left my station. Okay,
Yeah.
actually I could call my father, okay, to fetch me, but I didn't call my father. Just I left the station and I went to the road. Okay, so that time
Yeah.
there was no any person, but even I wandered here and there, and after some times I called my father. And that time actually I think the time was morning time. Okay, and then I
Yeah.
called my
Okay.
father and I went with my father.
That's a great thing, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you like to have that beardy look or without beard you look, or you want to yourself?
So the thing was that we are in police departments. Okay, so we are not allowed to keep our beard.
Yeah, you have
Okay,
to be clean
if
shaven. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
if someone wants to keep his beard, then he would have to take permission from our superintendent of police. Otherwise, he can't.
Okay, okay. Just tell me one more thing. Like I have heard that Punjabis, right? Punjabis,
Okay.
they have this something related to their religion, so they are allowed to have beard and all. Is
Yeah,
it
yeah,
right?
yeah. It's
Yeah.
right. Means the
Uh, bec-
Sikhs. Okay, Sikhs are allowed to keep their beard and mustache. Yeah, and even that they are not forced to wear cap or anything. Even that they can't be forced to wear a helmet.
Yeah, I have heard this somewhere because you know what? I think maybe 1 or 2 months ago, my mom was telling me the same thing that
Yeah,
Punjabis, they if they want, they can't wear, or it's on them. Like if you want to wear helmet, they can. If they don't want to, there is no some force or it is not compulsory for them. Yeah,
yeah, yeah. That's right. And you know, not
yeah,
is
because
it is not in India. It is also in other country like America or
yeah,
many
yes.
countries. Okay.
Because you know what, even my father is in navy, and he's not a Punjabi. Obviously, I'm from Jharkhand and I'm a Hindu. So
Okay.
my father, he likes clean shaving, and all. But
Yeah.
Punjabis, they will always have that beard and all. So that's why
Yeah.
I should ask you that, because you're also in police now. so you might be knowing.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay. So that was a very nice thing. Okay, other than you have told me two stories about your risk,
Okay.
right? So do you think business is risk, or there are a lot of risk factors in business?
Yeah, of course. If someone is doing business, that means they are taking risk. Okay, without any risk,
Yes.
no one can do their business.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
they don't
as
know
I
that.
think.
Okay, yeah. Suppose if I have an electronic shop and I
Yeah,
sell phones, smartphones, laptops, and I don't know whether it will get sold or not. We don't know, right? So yeah, there are a
yeah.
lot of risk factors in business. I totally agree with that.
If someone is selling laptop and any electronic gadgets, so I don't think so that they are taking so much risk. Okay, if suppose they are unable to sell their items, okay, so I think
Yeah.
their item is not going to expire or about to happen anything. Okay, but I think there are many risk taker businessmen. Okay, they take risk while doing business. Suppose
Yes.
I have seen in my village, okay, there are many people, okay, they bought they bought a vehicle or truck or anything, okay, and we know
Yeah.
very well that we have to just pay the EMI, okay,
EMI. Yeah.
after using the truck, okay,
Yeah.
and we don't know in future that we will be able to run our truck or not. So I think in this way they are taking so much risk.
Yeah. So even in your village, there are a lot of people who are risk takers. Yeah.
Yeah,
And you know what? In villages, there are many farmers, right? And
yeah,
I think farmers, they are very much risk takers.
yeah,
And you know
that you are
what?
right. Actually, our farmer also take risk, okay, because there
Yeah.
are many farmers who only do their farming, okay, and they depend only on the rainy season, okay. They
Yeah.
know very well if in future the rain won't happen, then their crops is going to spoil, okay.
Yeah, it will
There
get
is no
spoiled.
any
Yeah.
option to save the crops. Yeah,
Yes.
even though they farmer they even though they do farming.
Yes, yes. And you know one more thing, like especially in India, there are many people who wants government job, because in private job there are a lot of risk, right?
Yeah,
So all of them are running behind government job, beta to government job, BT to government job. In private, you have
yeah,
no scope or something like that. It's just because of risk, because you don't
yeah,
know that if you're doing a private job, you have the job security or not. But in government
yeah,
job, you will have, like, government will pay you and all that. So in India, government job is a trend.
yeah, that's right.
So
Because no one wants to take risk.
yes,
Yeah,
everyone wants to be in a safer zone, and they just don't go out of that, and that's why they want that. Yeah, I want a government job, I want a settled life, I want no risk. That's it. Okay, so have you ever gone out of your city, Jharkhand, somewhere like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, or somewhere?
hmm. I have been to Bangalore twice, okay.
Okay, so like you told me, like you have been to Bangalore, right?
Yeah.
So if I will ask you, like, tell me the difference between Jharkhand and Bangalore. Like, what are the differences which you have found in Jharkhand and Bangalore? Differences, and then some of the similarities.
I think those who live in Bangalore, okay, they are much more educated than the people who live nearby us.
Yes.
Okay, just we may say that about the similarities. We are so friendly. Okay, we always help each other. In the same way, the people who live there, okay, they are also very means friendly, and they always try to help each other.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree. I agree on that. Yeah.
Okay. So what about you? have you even taken risk in your life?
Till now, no. No, till now I haven't taken any high level risk.
If
Yeah.
some parents are giving any mobile phone or smartphone to their children, that means their parents are taking risk. Okay, because they are not sure that their children's character is going to be good or going to be bad.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Right. Very.
Yeah, just I have one thing to ask you. Okay, just tell me that many people who means visit anywhere by train or by bus or by bike, okay,
Yes.
or by any sources. Okay, so just tell me that what medium is most risk.
Okay. So I will give you two answers for this. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
So one answer is from Google,
okay,
right? So Google says that uh, land transport is the most riskiest factor.
okay,
Okay, do you agree with that? Do you want me to explain you why? And I also agree with Google.
okay. So why?
Okay, so let's take the example of air transport and
Okay,
train transport. Okay, so
okay,
you might have heard about this road accidents, like car
yeah,
crashed or something, and it is very
mm,
frequent. It is very frequent, and even ev- I think every week you will hear about this news, right?
okay,
But when it comes to air transport, like flight crash, they are very rare news, very rare news, like once or twice in a year you will hear about that. But about road,
okay,
like this truck got accidented or something like that, it's very frequent, and it happens every day, every week, right? And same thing goes for train transport, train.
okay.
Just 1 minute. Yeah, for the train also. So I think the road factor is the most riskiest factor. What do you want to
Yeah,
say in this?
because but I don't think so, because
Okay.
we always hear about the road accident. Okay, it is why that most of the people are traveling go anywhere just by the land transport. So that is the thing that we always hear about the road accident. Okay, and you know
Yes.
one thing, whenever two train, okay, clash clashes in each other, okay, then that means it is not sure the all passenger will die. Okay, but if sometimes the aeroplane crashes, that it means the every passenger will die, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Okay, so you mean the land transport is the safest one?
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. You know what? Everyone there has their own point of view. But
yeah,
what I answered, it was according to Google. Like if you will search on Google, which is the most safest transport, it will show
yeah,
you aeroplane,
yeah,
right? And you know what? Like as you have told me, like if an aeroplane crashes or something like that, every person will die. But in you know what? There is a system in aeroplane that they can do emergency landing. They land on the sea or they land on the water. Have you heard about that?
yeah. I heard
Yeah.
many times then some plane just lands in the sea. Okay, but I think it is not possible for every time. Okay, we can't
Yes, it's
find
not
the
possible.
every
Yeah.
time the land.
Yeah.
Okay, and we can't find the safest place every time.
Yeah. Yeah. So you know what? I give you an accurate answer. No transport is safest because in every transport you have some chance or some
Yeah,
risk. Yeah.
yeah,
So no transport is 100% secure or 100% safe. No transport. In every transport there are some risks. Risks. Okay. Okay.
yes, in that,
Yeah. So it
yeah.
was very nice talking to you. I hope that we will meet in the next session.
Okay,
Okay.
of course. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
then bye.